Coming to you with my Amazon subscribe and save order. Make sure you watch to the end of this video. I've got a special insider deal straight to you from Amazon. Hey y'all, hey! Coming to you with my Amazon subscribe and save order. It just arrived today and I've already broke into it, but I wanted to stop and show you what I purchased. Because if you buy 5 items or more, you get, is it 15% off or 20% off? Yeah, I don't ever know. Yeah, it's the little things that don't really matter to me. But you get a big discount. You get a steep discount off the posted price. I guess it's official. I guess I'm a woman of a particular age because I love these little butter mints. These little butter mints, like the little church mints they pass out. Every old lady has these in their bags. KendyK does too. Whatever, I'm always gonna have a fresh breath. And sometimes all you need is a little mint or two to tide you over. That part. And I got some Airwick plugins. I think these are the refills. This is 5 refills, y'all. I paid $10 for these. So that's like $2. $10 and some change. So that's like $2 a piece for these. You can't get these even cheaper than this at Walmart. And this is the regular ones, and they also have the vibrant ones. I just switch up the different scents because I just like to do different scents in the house. And so I usually buy one of these every month or so, because I like to have some on backup, and then I like to, put fresh ones in every month or two. Because it says 60 days of freshness. Y'all, they used to last 60 days. They don't anymore. Have y'all noticed that? Have y'all noticed that? I have too. And of course you get tons of this packing filler in the box. Do you know that I kind of like keep some of this in the garage? Because you never know when you have a little box or you need a little filler for some kind of package or something. So I keep a little bit of this and then toss the rest. This is always on every monthly order for me. And you can order as much as you want. You can order twice a month. You can order 3 times a month, depending on the size of your household. But some things I have on, monthly. Sometimes I have things on every other month. Sometimes I have things on once a year. The point is, buy everything you can on Subscribe and Save so you can get the deep discounts every month. And so I always get 2 of these Lysols. Pro tip, ain't nobody got time to be scrubbing no toilets. So what you do is you put this around the water line. Squirt this around the water line and let it sit. By the time you go back and use the restroom, any hard water stains in your toilet will be gone. You can thank me later. Y'all, these are like $1.25 a piece because Subscribe and Save discounts. New makeup sponges for our nice liquid foundation blenders. So, y'all, when was the last time you changed yours out? Some people wash theirs, and I have tried washing them, and I do, but might as well just buy some new ones. So I bought these, and so these will be like once or twice a year because I don't wear makeup every day. Ain't nobody got time for that either. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 big ones, and it looks like they got a baby one too. Ooh, that little baby one is cute. You see it? So this will be more than enough for me for the year. You can always change if you find like you're needing something. I have a reminder set in my phone to double check my Subscribe and Save order and make sure that I have coming what I want coming, and then anything I don't need or I don't need to come for the month, I skip it. You just hit the skip button. Say that with me now. Skip. So here's what you're gonna need to do. If you're not already an Amazon Prime member, don't worry about it. I get it. I get it. I got you though. Go ahead and sign up for Amazon Prime. Do it on June 30th. Do it on July 1st. And then, when it's Amazon Prime days, it's going to be like Christmas in July, y'all. You'll get all the deals, all the steals, all the thrills, and free shipping too. Right? So if you want to try out Amazon Subscribe and Save, go ahead. Make sure that you're already an Amazon Prime member. If you're not an Amazon Prime member, sign up June 30th or July 1. Then you'll get 30 days of the free trial. Free trial. Sign up for a free trial for 30 days. And then you're still eligible for the Amazon Prime days in July. Stay tuned for the exact date of the Amazon Prime days. But I'm telling you now, it's happening. It's going down in July. This is KendyK all day. Now keep watching so you can see my other subscribe and save deals. They're all health and beauty related. Okay, most definitely needed this. Whew, most definitely needed this. I like to have one of these in my office by the computer. This is cuticle oil. And I tried a new scent. This is the peach scent. So let's see how that smells, y'all. I smell peach. I don't know if it smells good though. It's scented, you know. It's got the little doodads in there. Yeah, I like to have one of these by my computer because my nails, I put bleach in my dishwater, so my nails are always very dry around my cuticles and things. And so I always like to double up on oil. As I'm sitting there on Zoom meetings, all of the stuff, you know how we do. That part. So, and then I like to have one near the couch. I like to have one on my nightstand and even in the car. So I gotta buy a couple more of these, or even buy the little cuticle pins. I do have a cuticle pin in the car, but it's almost out too. So with cuticle oil, cuticle gel, or cuticle oil. Oh, so I did buy 2 cuticles. This is a cuticle shea butter. So I tried something different. It's cuticle for shea butter. So new. Ooh, I like that. So I'm gonna try that right now. A little shea butter for my cuticles. Ooh, 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 y'all. So I bought one oil, liquid oil, and then this cuticle shea butter. Ooh, y'all, this is nice. This might be something nice. I will not give it my 10 out of 10 rating yet though, because I like to really test things out. You know I give things a thorough run through before I give them that KendyK stamp of approval. But I'll show it to you. It's called Badger Cuticle Oil. Kleenex purse packs. This is a 8-pack, and this is like $1.50 because discounts. Buy 5 items, you get max savings. And that's 15% off everything in the order if you buy 5 items. These are some facial sponges. This is also for a first time buy for me because like I've been stocking up. Y'all, you better watch and pray. Things are steadily increasing in prices. So I'm buying now, and in the months preceding, I have just been bulking up, stocking up, and now I feel like I can breathe a little bit, right? Because things will continue to rise. Because newsflash, we are in a recession. That part. Y'all better watch and pray. Y'all better watch and pray and make preparations. KendyK tried to tell you. So I bought these little facial sponges. And I wanted to, try them for travel. So when you dip these in water, they turn into A sponge. Okay, so my ring light just went out. I'm gonna keep going though. I don't know why it went out. Ooh. Nisha Nicole said that we should not be using washcloths and things on our face. We should only be using one-time use things. So I'm trying these because these were a couple bucks. Trying them for the first time, see if I like them for cleaning my face. And I'll probably be using them as a one-time use. Definitely using them when I travel. I bought another brow pencil because I have one in my makeup bag, but I wanted another. And I got it in soft black. Because eyebrows. As a woman of a particular age, that's something that's going to happen. Your eyebrows are going to start to thin, friends. So you got to be prepared for that. And we just draw them on, don't we? This is 100 shower caps. Y'all, I use these shower caps for everything. I use them in the kitchen to put over bowls of things that don't have lids, and I pop them in the refrigerator. I use them when I travel, and I put them over my shower shoes. Because I hope y'all don't put it. I wear shower shoes in the showers for hotels. Yep. Because KendyK is OCD and KendyK is a germaphobe. Anyway, so I use these when I'm conditioning my hair. You know, there are 1,001 uses for a shower cap, and you get these for a couple bucks. This is enough for the year, friends. This is enough for the year. So this is, again, I buy it on Subscribe and Save so I can get the max discount. That's it for KendyK. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing for your girl. This is KendyK all day. Thank you to my subscribers. Let me say that again. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for rocking and riding with me. This is KendyK all day. I'm a new YouTube content creator in these YouTube streets. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to your girl. This is KendyK all day. Goodbye for now.